Hey guys, we meet again. I'm your Mandarin teacher Tania. 朋友们，你们好，我们又见面了。我是你们的普通话老师 Tania. Tomorrow, it's an interesting day. Do you know what it is? 明天是一个有趣的节日，你知道是什么吗？ It's 20th of May, 是5月20日。Do you know what is 20th of May? 你知道什么是5月20日吗？ 20th of May, 520 is the Chinese Valentine's Day. There are many Valentine's Day in China, such as 七夕情人节 Western Valentine's Day. 520 is one of the recent favorite among young people. 520是最近年轻人最喜欢的一个情人节。So, where did 520 come from? 520是怎么来的呢？ It is an interesting linguistic knowledge. 这是有趣的语言知识。The Chinese pronunciation of 20th of May is 520. It's very similar to Chinese pronunciation of 我爱你 I love you. So young people have adopted 520 520 as the Valentine's Day 我爱你节日。It is a day we give each other gifts, go out to cinema, go shopping, and enjoy our time with our loved ones. So, how do you spend your 520 day? Leave me a comment and learn Chinese with me. I will see you again. Thank you.